So the goal of the team is to hopefully inspire every American we meet to serve their community. For the 50th anniversary, you have this opportunity to do something amazing, to honor the history of the airplane and all that served for the last 50 years.
I'm Anthony Paul Accurso. I'm assigned to the 412th Maintenance Group at Edwards Air Force Base. The earliest toy that I was ever given was a die-cast model of the F-16 in that famous red, white, and blue paint scheme. I thought we need to take this on and do it big. Putting it all together, assembled a team of about 190 people across the wing to put together this celebration, honoring the veterans past and present, their memory and the legacy of the F-16. Because of the history of the first flight of the F-16 taking place in 1974 here at Edwards, to get the opportunity to be asked to paint the aircraft here worked out great. To be able to give back in a big way has been everything to me. Working with the demo team and knowing that you guys trust us to be able to do this scheme the right way. To honor its heritage and legacy is everything to us, so thank you for the opportunity.
Wind 230 at 16. Gust 20. Visibility 50. View clouds 8,000. View 5,000 scattered. Temperature 3.
Falcon 50 flight, Edwards Tower. Unrestricted climb 16,000 approved. Runway 23 left, wind 240 at 23, gust 29, clear for takeoff.
Some of the best chapters in American history are led by small groups of people that believe that they can do something extraordinary. We must honor our history, and we must get back to where the story begins sometimes to see the future.